Can't catch a break today. If we're not fishing in the heat, we're fishing in the rain.
I know.
Oh, that sucks.
Possibly lightning.
I'm very hesitant to start this intro right now, but I'll just do it anyway. Welcome back, friends. How are you guys doing? I'm doing good, or I guess I was doing good until I saw this right behind me. It's the day after Father's Day. Here's my father right there. And since we couldn't fish yesterday, do like a traditional Father's Day fishing sesh, we're gonna fish today. It's a Monday, he just got off work. And we're gonna try to fish in the midst of this. Got the old Duster Mobile behind me, and we're gonna drop in at the Fox River, which is a river I really haven't fished much, despite the fact that it's so big and it stretches throughout the entire part of northern Illinois. So we're gonna take the boat. We've got catfish rods, we've got bluegill rods, and we've got smallmouth rods. So we're gonna try to catch a little bit of everything today. The main goal is to catch a catfish. In my left hand, I've got a bag full of dead bluegill, which will hopefully aid us in catching either a nice flathead, a nice channel, or I guess whatever is in here and willing to eat. So we may even throw poppers while the big lines are in the water and hope that maybe that this avoids us, which may be asking for too much, but we'll give it hell. You ready?
I'm ready, just checking the radar. It's a little north of us, but we're this blue dot right here, so you can see all hell's breaking loose just north of us, but hopefully it'll stay just north of us.
All right, I'm gonna load up the boat, catch you guys on the water. Plug is in the boat.
You sure about that?
Yep. Black on red and then red on black.
Something like that.
Yeah, cool, we're good. All right, you know have to hop in first.
All right.
This is the moment of truth if we can both fit in here. You got sea legs today?
I think so.
Yep. Just straddle that bag. Okay, now you're good. Okay, you're good.
What?
Just go ahead. Have fun. I'm just kidding.
Are you gonna lock your car?
Oh yeah, I gotta lock it. Thanks. Beep beep. I think this boat's ready for like 360 pounds. I'm 180. I'm below 362. For both of us. I'm in. Oh, how's she looking? So far so good. Now I gotta get the motor in the water, otherwise we're just gonna sink. We're gonna float all the way down to Elgin. This thing cooks too. We got a big motor on this. Yeah, I kinda wanna go up towards that island. Throw some lines out. Cool thing about this river in which we're fishing right now is it's full of species. It's a species river. You've got decent smallmouth. You've got flathead catfish in some areas. You've got some muskie, which is crazy. Largemouth, of course. A myriad of bluegill and sunfish, crappie, white bass. Just chock full of different types of fish, which I dig. I like that. I know this channel is like a bass fishing channel, but I've been known to go to Africa and attempt for tigerfish and do a little GT fishing. And I love catching other fish. It just keeps me on my toes. Am I gonna hold this rod all day, or do you want me to? There you go. And right on cue.
What's in here? Here comes the rain.
Like legitimately, as soon as we get posted up on the bank in which we're gonna fish, which by the way looks really good, the rain starts, but it's nothing like crazy. Might want to get a little bit farther next cast. I'm gonna get these big catfish rods out in the water. You're about to witness John B doing something that he has no idea whatsoever how to do, but isn't that every video? Don't need my sunglasses, that's for sure. I'm not sure if you remember, but in my last video, I believe it was my last video, I was having a real busty day out in the water for bass fishing, so I opted to catch some bluegill. And that's what I have in this bag right here. And these gills are gonna be bait for these catfish. As long as the rain's holding off, I'm gonna go try to catch some fish. So I'm just gonna get active with it. Fortunately, I didn't thaw the bluegill out, so they're a little frozen. I'm hoping these catfish like bluegill sickles because that's all I got right now. Frozen gill, nice. Perfect size, honestly, for these kitties. Just gonna kind of cut this gill into some pieces. Again, I'm basing everything off of the little catfish knowledge that I know, but I'm guessing that the main forage here is probably gills or some sort of shad. These catfish aren't gonna eat a whole lot, maybe some crayfish or whatever's lurking down there. I feel like catfish are pretty opportunistic feeders. Using circle hooks today. Just gonna kind of barely skin hook that. I want that hook to be fairly exposed. Who knows, I may catch a megalodon. I heard they're in here. Big megalodon spawn this season. Coelacanth? Yeah, coelacanth spawn too in this river. Really hot this time of year, like really hot. I'm gonna bomb a cast out in that current seam. Some just jumped right there. Okay, and we're gonna let the bait runner do its thing. Oh no. Oh no. As soon as I get the second rod out, in comes the rain. Yep, that's it. That's the rain we've been looking for. Wow!
Where's the hail?
Wow, really? Wow. Seriously? Is this full? I'm gonna drink it. Hang on, it might be nothing. Just stay calm.
Still Mercy, Caddyshack.
I can't even see your bobber.
The hard stuff's not gonna come for another couple hours.
Yeah. I think we should probably get back in the boat now, Dad. It's looking a little wet right now. Okay, well, thanks for joining us on today's episode. It was a lot of fun. Oh, wow.
Is that your bottom?
Yeah, a little bit. I think this is maybe why we don't go fishing, is we usually entice the bad weather.
Well, at least it hasn't hailed yet. What do you think? What I call it, post-Father's Day fishing fail?
Well, we tried. Back home now, it got so bad out there. Like, you have to be careful out in the river, mainly because it's a river, and any sort of water that dumps into there, whether it be creeks or the headwaters, that river could rise like this. And being a little John boat with a 55-pound thrust motor is not safe. So rather than harshing through it, we were just like, we're done. I'm really reluctant to get out of the car. I don't even want to get out of the car.
It's raining hard. I mean, it's really come down.
Anything you want to add?
I had a good time. I mean, it was short. We didn't catch any fish, but
You're always way more optimistic than I am.
it was fun.
I have a smile on my face, but it's just so I can keep saying right
I
now.
don't want to fish like that every time we go out, but
No.
hey, it was fun while it lasted.
Good time. Keep fishing, never stop, right, guys? Oh, let's embrace it. Big dog, middle dog, and little dog. What are you doing? The vlog has not seen you in a hot second. People are probably wondering if you're still up and at 'em. You're still doing good. You've gotten bigger. You've actually gotten longer. You haven't grown much. You've grown out. You're about a 28-inch bass now. About as salty as a 28-inch bass. Hey, I'm talking to you. You want to unbox some stuff?
Let's unbox something.
You want to?
What do you have? Is this the box?
Yeah, toss me. Oh, I'm so close to the camera. All right, Papa Squat, come on, join me.
No problem. There's plenty of clearance.
Join me.
What's in the box, John?
I don't know. Actually, I do know. You don't.
I don't know. What's in the box?
So usually on a rainy day fishing, most people, they stay inside. They play board games. Me, I just choose to unbox some things. Actually, this worked out perfectly because today...
Actually, we chose to get on the river and get washed off the river
Yeah.
and then unbox some things.
Yeah, that was all planned, right?
That was all planned.
Today, I got this in the mail and I was like, I'll save it for a different day. Today, I'm gonna go catfishing. Well, it's a good thing this thing came in because today's video would have I'm a big like lure head. I like trying out different lures, stuff that I'll probably never use, but I just like. I love collecting like cool vintage and like high-tech reels, and along with that, incorporating some really intriguing lures. Like I have some stuff I haven't shown you guys yet, but this one that I have here in this box actually came from Japan. I think you guys deserve to see. It is so sick, and you're gonna be like, what the hell?
I'm ready, man.
Yeah, usually I open these boxes pretty interesting. I don't have any tools, so you just want to open it for me?
Yeah, it's probably gonna be really hard to open, right? Is it like one of those?
No, that's straight. It'll be all right.
Is it?
Careful with it. It is fragile. All right, easy. That's my part. Easy. I just said open it. Don't take it out. Just to show you how authentic this is, it's got actual Japanese newspaper on there.
I can't read that.
Neither can I. I ordered this actually a long time ago on eBay. The person that was selling it was on Instagram, and I saw a picture of them posting it, and like, dude, as soon as they posted it, like it was like the post was a minute old.
Yeah.
I was like, I had to buy this. I went to their eBay and bought it. It's the sickest lure I have ever seen, let alone purchased. Handmade, handcrafted.
The lure of the box.
You ready?
Whoa!
Isn't that sick?
That's awesome.
Look at that thing.
The scales on that.
It came with like, what do you call this? Like tinsel? No. I don't know. It's a lot smaller than I thought, but actually I like the fact that
really
it's
cool.
smaller. For those of you guys who don't know, this is a arowana. Really, honestly, what sold me is the guy just posted the half of it, which is kind of crazy. Like, I know that sounds ridiculous, me buying something without seeing the whole thing, but the guy like wasn't like finished or something like that, and he just had the half of it, and I was like, oh, I have to have it. I can't believe this.
I would not fish with that. I'd frame it.
Yeah, it's handcrafted.
That's really awesome.
The company's called Sona Design. This is number 172. I don't know how many there are out there, but it's number 172. So an arowana is a fish from the Amazons, and also apparently I just learned this too, they're native to Australia. This is an arowana. Not a very common fish to catch out here when fishing for peas, but still a badass treat. This is the kind of fish you see in a fish tank. Weird fish. They swim on the surface and they go like this, or like dragons and eels.
So what would you catch with that if you did?
Anything you wanted. Imagine bringing this to the Amazon and catching like peacock bass,
absolutely.
because peacock bass probably eat arowana like this. Unbelievable. The eye.
I mean, the scales are just.
Yeah. Maybe we should have done this today. Should have opened this before, thrown it on the river, and we could have caught some fish. So it's a wake bait. So you got the prop on the back, and then that big heavy duty square bill pointing straight down, meaning this
color,
is like
too.
this is a top water subsurface wake bait. Anyway, I thought you guys would get a kick out of this. I've got a bunch of other lures out there that I have. I know this is crazy, and I've always been saving. I'm such a procrastinator. I'll get these lures, and I'm like, I'm gonna make a video about them, and I never make a video about them. I legit have a lure that's crazier than this. Maybe not as beautiful and amazing as this one, but I got one that is crazier than this. That is also a top water lure that I really want to make a video about, but I haven't done so yet. So if you guys want to see more videos where I like try out these really unique, intricate lures, and possibly fish with them. I mean, it would be
possibly
open water around no snags.
Yeah.
I would honestly
Good
do
knot.
it. They're pretty aggressive.
A little fierce.
Yeah, they're fierce. I mean, they get like this big.
Bad news for
They look
Gary.
like dragons. Yeah, Gary would be toasted. But yeah, seriously, let me know in the comment section below if you guys want to see me order stuff like this, review it. This was just kind of a sneak peek. And again, if you want me to go in depth in this thing and actually show you guys how it fishes, I would do that for you guys as much as I love the way this looks as is, and I don't want to ruin it. But anyway, that's gonna do it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Thanks to this guy for coming out with me. I think we agreed we're gonna go back out.
Sure.
I go to Michigan tomorrow, so that's not gonna work. Then the day after that, I'll be in Michigan, and the day after that, I'll be just coming home. But after that, we might be able to get out in the morning.
Absolutely.
We'll give it a go. We're not gonna give it that easily.
No.
We're gonna go back out.
Absolutely.
I think the goal for next time we go out is gonna be big flatheads. That's a fish I've always wanted to catch. Like, I've never caught a flathead. Can you believe that?
We saw some great photos of
They
them.
literally live
They're out there.
so close, and I've never caught one. So I need to knock that off. And also, I need to make a video for you guys. Like this video if you guys want to see me do a little lure review on this guy, or maybe some other ones that I've got hidden in secret places of my tackle lair. But that's it. Thank you guys for the view. I appreciate it. Stay dry, stay safe, and as always,
Keep fishing.
never stop.